It is my pleasure to introduce Ryan Phelan. And my day job is I'm a long-range forecaster, and so I pay attention to people who are good at forecasting. And Ryan has this absolutely unerring ability to see emerging connections way ahead of the crowd, way ahead of the pack. And what I've watched is the first time she'll mention something new, everyone go, that's kind of surprising and interesting. Then after a while, everybody says, about a year later, now I start to get it. But then eventually that turns back to surprise, because when you realize what you think you got really was only part of the story, and Ryan was doing something much deeper and much more surprising. So all I can say is I invite Ryan up to the stage, prepared to be surprised. Ryan?